So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unmute messages on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it, and this is the inbox of your WhatsApp account. Now to unmute a message, you should have to found a mute message. So here it is, and tap on the message until you will see the option of mute on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now see, your message has been successfully unmuted from the WhatsApp, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.